Good evening guys. Today is Friday. Mag-alas 11 ng gabi. Pero meron akong gustong reviewin. Yung kinanta ko kanina sa center. Gusto kong ikanta ulit dito sa bahay. Zamboanga. Ito, kinakanta namin nung malilit pa kami. Pinag-aralan namin sa school ito. Ganito yan. Goes like this. Don't you go too far, Zamboanga, where you may forget your darling far away. Don't you go, for if you leave me, how can I without you stay? Oh, weep not, my dear Paloma,